morning. I'm back from Barre, which was insane. Has anyone ever tried it? It's like a combination of ballet and torture, basically. But I survived, glory be to God. I'm just out of the shower now and about to do my skincare, get dressed, and then head to brunch with some friends. So let's go. All right, guys. So this is the final look. I'm going to be wearing these boots and I am off to brunch. So see you shortly. Rain or shine, we brunch. Okay guys, so I definitely forgot about videoing, but the thing is, it was pouring down with rain earlier, so I was just fighting for my life trying to survive Danish weather. I'm home and just chilling. There's a package that's waiting for me, and I don't know if you're like this, but like when I know that I have a package waiting, I need to get it immediately. I can't wait. So it could be midnight, it could be crazy o'clock. If the shop is open, I'll still go. And so it's pitch black outside and I'm kind of like, oh, I don't really want to. But at the same time, I really want my goodies. I don't want to get up. I'm so comfortable. I don't want to get up. I'm so ridiculous. Okay, a really quick outfit of the day. I feel like it's giving English countryside chic. I don't know. So then there's the like waistcoat in the middle, the belted waistcoat with the scarf at the top. And we've got the bag and then the shoes. Yeah, I love. Anyway, thought I'd give you guys that. Bye. Okay, so hey guys. It's actually been quite a few days since I went and retrieved my first package, and since then I don't know what's wrong with me, so I'll be like, I need to get my package, and then I'll get it and just put it down. I don't know whether it's just the feeling of like I want to have it in my possession and then that's enough for me. Since then 2 more packages have come in of other stuff that I ordered, so I need to organize my jewelry. That's the reason why I'm opening these now, so I'll take you through everything. Can you see it all? That's gonna be my new entrance mat. Yes, hangers. Microfiber cloths for the shower. Yes. This is for the sink so that I can put like washing up liquid and the sponges and all of that, just to make it look a bit more sensible. Can't use them for this thing is I want to build, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I want to build a jewelry organizer. So that's what I'm gonna do. What kind of instructions I saw? You can barely read them. What's that? I think that's it. I think that's it. So I put in something there, something at the back there, something here. Do we need to put something at the bottom? No? I think that's it. Here's my jewelry stand. Let's begin to put some jewelry on it.